Hola, welcome to Ida's Kitchen. Bienvenidos. My name is Ida Lugo McAllister, and I am going to demonstrate how to prepare shrimp in Creole sauce, Camarones a la Criolla. When we hear the word Creole, we immediately think of New Orleans cuisine. However, the term Creole also refers to our style of cooking with a cultural mix of Taino, Spanish, and African. This dish consists of shrimps that are cooked in a rich tomato oil-based sauce, along with herbs, vegetables, and condiments from our culture. Let's first start with making a simple homemade shrimp stock using the shrimp's shells and tails. This is 1 pound of deveined jumbo raw shrimp with the shell and tail on. To shell a shrimp, let's first take out the legs. And then remove the shell. For the tail, gently pull the tip of the tail until it separates from the shrimp. All the shells and tails should be placed in a bowl and the shrimp in another bowl. The shelling process will take approximately 10 to 15 minutes. The shells and tails have been rinsed in cold water. The next step is to create our shrimp stock. In a saucepan, melt 1 tablespoon of butter over medium heat. Add the shells and tails with 1½ cups of water. You can add chunks of onion, sliced celery, and carrots for a richer flavor. Bring the liquid to a boil. Once the liquid is boiling, reduce heat to low and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Cover saucepan with lid. After 10 minutes of simmering, the shrimp stock is ready. Remove from heat and allow to cool. The final step is to carefully strain the shrimp stock through a fine mesh strainer into a bowl and set aside. I also rinsed the peeled shrimp with cold water. As I mentioned earlier, the shrimp were purchased already deveined. I like to season the shrimp with a pinch of salt and black pepper. We can now start preparing the camarones a la criolla. In a skillet, heat 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil over medium heat. Add the following ingredients: 1/2 of a green pepper cut into strips, 1/2 of a red pepper cut into strips, 1/4 cup of chopped onions, 2 chopped aníes dulces, sweet peppers, or you can substitute with Cubanelle peppers, 3 minced garlic cloves, 2 sprigs of chopped cilantro, and 2 small culantro recao leaves chopped. If you don't have culantro, then increase the amount of chopped cilantro to 6 sprigs. Stir well and saute for approximately 5 minutes. We are ready to add the remaining condiments. 4 ounces of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of adobo without salt, 1 teaspoon of light salt or to taste, 1 teaspoon of oregano leaves, and 1½ teaspoon of ground coriander. Stir all the ingredients until well blended. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes over medium heat. We can now add approximately 1/2 cup of the shrimp stock. You can always add more shrimp stock if the sauce becomes too thick. Stir and cook until the sauce is slightly thickened. Now that the sauce is starting to thicken, let's add the shrimp. And cook until they turn a pink color. As you can see, the shrimps are not as translucent. They're starting to turn pink. After 15 minutes of cooking, the sauce is thick and the shrimps are cooked. This looks so delicious. The shrimp and Creole sauce is ready. The Camarones a la Criolla, shrimp and Creole sauce, can be served over white rice or accompanied with mofongo. For this recipe, you can add the ingredients of your preference and increase or decrease the quantity of each ingredient listed. Let's taste the shrimp and Creole sauce that is served over white rice. The shrimp is tender, juicy, and completely coated with the Creole sauce. The sauce gives this dish such intense tropical flavor. ¡Qué rico! I hope you have enjoyed watching my YouTube video on how to prepare shrimp in Creole sauce, Camarones a la Criolla. Thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video. Please share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you would like a copy of my cookbook, visit my website, idaskitchenboricua.com, and click on the cookbook tab. My cookbook is a bilingual Puerto Rican cookbook, and it contains 42 authentic Puerto Rican recipes that I learned how to cook while living in Puerto Rico. This side is the English version. If you flip the book over, the other side is the Spanish version. Again, thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video.